This video will cover how to install and set up the Smart Wi-Fi Coach Lantern. If you are unable to identify your wires, please consult an electrician. Start by removing the mounting nuts to separate the mounting bracket from the lantern. Then, turn your power off at the breaker. Expose the wires from the J-box. All installs should have an existing round or square J-box. Please contact an electrician for any additional inquiries. Next, mount the bracket, securing it with the provided screws. Ground the fixture by attaching the bare copper or green ground feed wire and the lantern's yellow-green ground wire to the green screw on the mounting bracket. Next, secure the lantern's black wire to the hot feed wire using one of the provided wire nuts. Now, attach the lantern's white wire to the neutral feed wire. Once your wires are secure, carefully push them back into the J-box. Align the holes on the back of the lantern with the mounting screws, and push. Place the rubber washers over the mounting screws and hand tighten the mounting nuts. Finally, restore your power at the breaker and ensure that the light is rapidly blinking. If it is not, turn the light on, off, on, off, on. Once the light is rapidly blinking, open your Feit Electric app. Tap Add Device or the plus sign at the top right. In the pop-up window, tap Go to Add. Then, select the device and tap the blue plus sign to add it. Enter your Wi-Fi network's username and password. Be sure that you enter your password correctly, as it is case sensitive. Tap Confirm. Your device will now connect. Be sure that you are within 30 feet of your router. If not, adding a range extender will greatly improve your connectivity. You will know that your device is connected when you receive the confirmation screen. Tap Done. Press and hold the icon to access the Smart Lantern features. Choose between soft white, cool white, or daylight. Toggle the slider to dim your lights. You can tune the light to the exact color that you are looking for. Or choose any color you want. Select lighting effects, or sync your light with music. You can even set a schedule for your Smart Lantern. Simply select Schedule and select the days and times. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Smart Wi-Fi Coach Lantern.